Yeah, hi guys. Very good afternoon. After a bit gap, let's see Nifty first and later Bank Nifty. So meanwhile, you can see the support we are discussing from previous few sessions also. As you can see, the support was 24,200. So 24,200 was the major support. So and there was an trend line passing from 10th of July. So from here, the trend line passing from in this range. So markets are opened slightly gap up and it filled the gap immediately even in the bank nifty. So if we see these are the levels which we discussed on Thursday. So we discussed it on Thursday. I think mostly in last week I think we just drawn these levels. So the same levels are working even in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So even in Bank Nifty 52,000, 52,800. So let's see Bank Nifty levels. So here, these are the buying Nifty level 52,000 52,800. So nothing has made any correction. So this is a major support here. So it's got broken and market filled the gap and it took support as previous days. So later it went up. It's an intraday support. So from there it's get bounced and it's tried to move up, but there is no such strength in the candles. Even you can see in the futures also there is no such strength that Bank Nifty can move. Here you can see. So what happened? We just captured few points in Bank Nifty in second off, mid second off, I can say. So what happened? We took trade in Bank Nifty in the morning itself. So here we started taking trades at 9:28, and we took one of the stock Hindustan Petroleum. So if we analysis Hindustan Petroleum, so here you can see we just placed stop loss here, then later we trialed here, then later trialed here. So here somewhere hit else it hit the stop loss and it went up. So I thought I should place my stop loss near the cost after the hike in this candle somewhere here. So I just trial the stop loss because stock is not moving much after even the good volume also. So what I did, I just closed with some 2 points something profit of this 500, and somewhere here we just closed 345.50, 343.50, 2 points we just booked, and so in Bank Nifty we took the trade. It's an put side buy. So market was bearish in the morning itself, so we took the trade. So you can see market is moving up now. So there wasn't restrictions going on YouTube channels from the SEBI. So we are waiting for the SEBI circular. Depends on it. We have to act. So I am not doing much videos based on it. We will work out later. So if you see here, you can see the premium. This is our last entry, last strike which we took last trade. So here somewhere here I entered the trade, placing stop loss here, and it's given almost you can see 1:2. So I closed it, and I have a this thing like market is trying to move up. I thought it based on price action, what I thought it could touch 50 to 200, but premium is not moving up at this period. So later I just booked with 1:2. So after this you can see here. So here I just booked some 36 points I think. From here itself in a single candle it went 54 points and later again it went some 36 points, so, based on it. So if you see, if we captured a swing by trailing 10 points, we are not trailing currently because the market in sideways zone. We are not trailing, we are directly booking the profits like 1:2 like that. So if you see, it's almost went 150 160 points. If we trail this, there could be a choice like here somewhere here it could hit the stop loss, or here somewhere here it could hit the stop loss. So based on it, we could capture 100 points, but it's not happened. So we should not feel regret or FOMO on those type of things in trading. It's quite common. When market can move 1,000 points one way and it can come down 1,000 points in one way. So this is the not last day which we are in the market. There are days coming on. So the trading markets will be comes. We should not get regret for anything. So let's go to our trading logs. Here we just lost some 12 points I think. The logic for this trade, like we shook the trade in 50 to 200 put. So here 50 to 200 put, here itself the market started filling the gap. So at around 9:20 I think 928 we took the trade, and 928 we closed within one candle. It got hit the stop loss somewhere here. I think 928 candle. This is the candle. In this retest you can see the spike, upside spike. This candle, the stop loss got gone, and it's just a small stop loss, so even in retest it's hit. So later market taking support here. So here it's taking support. It's taking support here. Market is taking support here. As you can see here, there is a support of intraday wise, yesterday's intraday wise. So it's coming down and moving up. Again, it's coming down. It's moving up here. So what we did, it's better we could go with this thing. Better we could go with like a call said and uh, but we just took again in this here somewhere here in these candles we took the trade. So you can see again in put side we took two trades back to back. It's one is think in one of these some 29 points somewhere here we just lost, and again it's around some 7 points mostly. So put sides we haven't got any these choices to build our trade again. So what we did, we just closed here, put side entries and everywhere, and call side it's taking support. I just told you that somewhere here it's taking support. We took call side trades, and in call side it's given some 24 points. Somewhere here we just booked 24 points in this 22 200 call. Somewhere here in this strike we booked the 24 points. Then later again it's some cost to cost somewhere here, cost to cost it went up. So later again we took trades in put side. So here in put side after call side we took put side entries. As you can see there was rejection from the upper end, and even Nifty and Bank Nifty is moving much. So here you can see the Nifty and Nifty both are rejected at a time. So Nifty got rejected from here. Let me mark a symbol. So Nifty got rejected from here. Okay. So Bank Nifty started getting rejected from here. So what I did, the same time these things are happening. So I just took trades for put side, and this is the consolidation zone. You can see there was a box I just drawn. This is the consolidation zone. So Bank Nifty is trading in consolidation zone, and at the same time Nifty also moving down. If you see the sectors also in negative at that period. Now it's turned back to positive as the market is moving in uptrend. So here I just took the trades in put side. I will explain the trades, and somewhere here it's cost to cost again. In this trade we just booked some 36 points here. In this trade you can see buy and sell. Somewhere here we booked 36 points, and in the same strike again we booked some 37 points. Some again we just tried with another snap, but it haven't worked out, and we just lost 25 points. Then later again 25 points. One second, let me, yeah, here, yes, 25 points we just lost here. Then again we just booked some 47 points here. You can see cancel order, the stop loss I placed here, so I just canceled the stop loss. Again I just exited here in 377. In this we just booked 47 points. So later we just closed the trade which I told you in Hindustan Petroleum previously. So we just closed the trade in trailing stop loss got it, and we just closed the trade. Later again we just booked 36 point. So mostly you can see the trades whichever we booked here, we haven't crossed 50 points. Like there is no more target more than 50 points. Like why we did it, like market is sideways. You can see the market is sideways. So in sideways market, if we expect like market will move some 100 points, 200 points in one direction, it could not happen. Because see here, this is the good bearish engulf, and we just entered in somewhere here, and we just captured this candle. We are doing scalping, and it's an option buying thing. If we think like market will come down and the premium will go some 400, 500 or something, like if we take it 300 something, it won't happen in most scenarios, because there will be option greeks like delta, theta, gamma, vega, rho, and theta is a one of the option Greek thing, and theta it will makes premiums to get decay. Like if market moves 100 points, but premium won't move 100 points, because there will be some intrinsic value and time value. That's the different in the premium. If you see the option chain, let me explain this little bit. So I'm planning to explain some sessions on based on option trading and the futures and some stocks for long term swings. So we will come with a good video, but after this SEBI, these regulations and those all. So here, if you see, um today Nifty expiry. So 24,300 premium was 14 rupees and 24,300 put premium was 3 rupees. So Nifty trading at around some 24,300. If Nifty closes here, this entire premium will goes to zero. This entire premium you can see zero zero here. So the same thing zero zero here. You can the same thing will be happened here. So if we check next week, for next week we'll see in Nifty only. We'll see in Nifty. So if you see premiums for next week, next expiry. I mean to say. So here, if you see 24,300, the premiums was 154 and 100. If market moves somewhere like this up and down, like see this is the Nifty chart. So if market moves like from here, it could move. Here it's facing the resistance. Here there is a resistance, and so if market could try to move, if market tries to break this and retest and those all, and again it comes down and it move up, and again if it closes here in next week I mean next expiry. So this 150, this 100, this 154, 100, this will be the premiums will be eroded like they, due to theta decay, and there will be no values here. And it will goes to zero in the still expiry. So this is what happens in the May options. So don't think like it will move like a stock, and if we keep hold for 2 or 3 days, it will move up and market will bounce back and market will bounce up. Within experience it could come, depends on your price action and levels, depends on it you can move, but don't think like whichever we are saying it goes on. Don't go with your path like the market could move from here. I know market will move, it will move. Don't think like that. See the chat, act on it. Whatever you see in the chat, whatever it's visible before you, you should make decision upon it. Don't feel like it will move up, it will move down, like those things. So here we are closing. Let me analyze bit on Nifty and Bank Nifty. It could be a bit clear. So firstly we'll analyze Nifty. Nifty, there was a trend line moving from here, and it's opened above the trend line and it filled the gap, and it took the support in the trend line, it moved up, and again the trend line, the market haven't sustained above the trend line. It came down till 24,200. 24,200 was the major support, and here it's moving up again and it's getting consolidated. So the trend line, if we remove the trend line, if we see from here in this zone, the market will consolidate. Like market can move uh, from here to here, and again from here to here, and here to here, somewhere here, and like this it can move. It could happen because this is a sideways zone. So at that period what we should do, like if you have a good idea in option selling, you can make money. So let me explain a basic thing. Like mostly people are asking me like what happens if market moves up, market comes down. We are seeing in the papers like market will crashed from here to here and this much percentage, and there are the losses of some 12,000 crores, 13,000 lakhs crores, something in billions millions they will see the news and those all. So here what happens if market moves up or comes down? If you see example of the stock, so BEPL, if you see the example of the stock, if market moves up or market moves down, if market moves up, you will think that if you are a trader, if you think that market moves up, what you will do, you will take the trade here and you will place stop loss somewhere here. Example I'm just explaining, so it's not analysis. So from here if it goes up, we will make money, they will think that. But there is another probability in trading, like if you sell BPL here, if it comes down, if it comes down to some 140 like that, you just sold in 150 and it came to 140 in intraday. See it's coming. So if it comes like that, if you exit in year 140, if you sell at 150 and if you buy at 140, the profit will be 10 points. So don't think like money will be like whichever we can earn only in buying side, we can't earn in the selling side. Don't think like that. There will be two major perspectives. You, it depends on your view, depends on the price action, it will move. So this is what happens. And even in sideways we can make money, and depends on the strategies, delta neutral strategy. So depends on it, it will happen. So this is sideways zone. Better to sell 24,500, 24,500 call, and 24,800, 23,800 put. So this you can do in the sideways zone. So if it is if it is breaks the level, like here somewhere here, if it is breaks, exit the one leg and hold another leg. So based on that you should act, but it could take some experience. Whichever I am saying, it's advanced thing. So you should know the strategy, and those all I will explain that in going on. Let's see, from here, if it breaks, it should sustain above 24,400. Like this it should go. So you can see, like if we go to daily chat, if you see in daily chat, this daily time frame, D in the sense daily, W weekly, M monthly. So if you see in daily chat, the trend is, you can see the trend, it's an uptrend still. It's an uptrend. So it's an uptrend, it's clearly getting visible. It's an uptrend, it's clearly getting visible, because if you see, there is a swing going here. If you see the swing, one swing is going here, this is the swing, this is the swing going here. So market came here, and again from that swing it's bounced back. Today the same thing happened, but it haven't broken the 24,200 major level. So from here it moving up. So this is the things happens in larger time frame. We should know what's happening in larger time frame. Then later again, we should go to 15 minutes. Depends on the time frame. It depends on your trading. Those all you should decide. So from here to here, market is in purely in sideways way. From here to here, the market is purely in sideways way. If you see, there is a trend line passing through here in this thing. There was a trend line passing from here to here. This is the trend line passing from here, but it's not getting broken. The market should break this, but market coming here and getting rejection. If it breaks, there could be some probability to move up. If it won't breaks, it will come down again into the zone. This is what could happen. But if it won't breaks, again it will come down into the zone. So the formation, whichever here you can see, this is an descending triangle, this and descending triangle pattern. So later on, even same in the uh, bank nifty also, we'll see, we'll analyze. So if it breaks 24,200, the market will be bearish. If it comes, if it's sustained above this, the market is bullish. Though if there any gap up, or if there any some price action based off up a higher rise formation, you can go to bull side. You should be in bull side. So let's see in bank nifty. So in bank nifty, 52,000 has been broken, and it came down. Here you can see a swing. Here you can see a swing. So this is the resistance at the period. This is the intra-level resistance on that day. So this just formed a small swing like this, and it went up again. So even in bank nifty, if you see, market is bullish. The trend is intact to bull. So it's broken, and again it went up to 52,000. So this is the some sideways zone. Scalps could work, but don't expect higher profits and all. So let's see, even nifty and bank nifty are bullish. From here it could go like this. Let me draw a path, it could be easy. So it should break this thing here. It should break these levels. Should break these levels. If it breaks this level, there should be this thing could happen, and again it could consolidate here much more like this. The thing happen. This is zone here, you can see the zone. So if it breaks this, then again there will be some bit consolidation like this, and it will move up. But elections are near, so take care and analysis as per it. If it broke this, there will be bearish. Okay, then thank you, take care. Overall we just made the profit of, I think, some 72 points.